Good morning. It's February 26th. This is the S&P 500. We're looking at the 5-minute chart here, and I want to zoom this down here so we can see all of the Globex session in one shot, so you can get a good picture of what that's looked like. So we opened up right here and traded up through this 55 area just a little bit, 58.50, and then traded down, ended up selling off all the way down to 30.91. Prediction point here is at 30.93.25. And then below that, we don't have anything till 75, but that's really not accurate. There'll be some prices in between here that I'll put in there. And then we've got 50. So here's the tricky part, is a week ago we were trading 300 points higher than this. So let me say that again. A week ago we were trading 300 points higher than here. So when you look in the world of how far we could bounce, or whatever, that basically, let's say this for now, above 66.75 or 66.5, if we break out above here, then it's likely that they would want to come back up here to this 87 area. And then above this 87 area, we could bounce back up to 32.20 area. And there has been some buying that has gone on. I mean, this is probably the biggest bounce that we've had. One of the bigger bounces that we've had. This is almost 60 points in the Globex session. This was 32.15 and we bounced to 32.58. So yeah, this is probably the biggest bounce that we've had in this entire sell-off. But this is not really low enough in the bigger picture. So they could want to bounce up a little bit higher here. I would look for the sellers at 66.5 area. If they break out above here and hold up above here, or worst case, hold up above this area, then likely they're going to want to push it higher up to this area, but then that could easily be for selling. So you're going to have to be quick here today, most likely. I mean, you'll have to be flexible, and the other thing that we are looking at here is if they can get down below here and hold below here. And just to put that in perspective, this is 33 points that we're talking about between here and here. So this is 33 points. So if they can get below here and hold below here, then we're looking for a push down into this. Originally we said, yeah, we came close to this. So down here in the 80s, there'll be some prices between this 93 and this 75, and one of those prices down here would really be the first target. And then below this 75 would be 49.50. I mean, there's just, it's hard, it's really difficult to say, where the bottom is going to be. So the best thing to do would be actually make it break out. And if you're going to trade it, if we're going to trade it long, then it's breaking out, and then we're playing it long on pullbacks with small risk. Otherwise, we're selling bounces. And yesterday the range just in the Globex, the range is 70 points or something like that. So you just have to be aware of kind of the market conditions that we're trading in here, and adjust your size accordingly. manage your risk properly, and be flexible, and really try to trade it from CPA to CPA. And down here that gets a little tricky because we don't have any CPAs down in this area, but you know, clear until down here, which that's just because there are not prices that are popular. I mean, look, between 74 and 49.50, there's important prices in there. So as we trade down in those areas, I'll try to point some of those out if we get down there. So look for, if they can break out above here, more buying, and if they can break down below here and hold, more selling. And I will see you in the live trade signals.